All right, what is up, Lowheat sneakerheads? Got a pair of Lowheat Jordans for the ladies or dudes that can fit them, and everyone in between. These I pretty clean. Excited to open these. I hit on these on the sneakers app. I always hit on stuff that I don't really care for that much. Never hit on stuff that I want. Although actually, this morning I did hit on the white air. Off-white Air Force One mids. First come, first serve on the sneakers app. So, I mean, that is a win. Subscribe right now so you can see that unboxing video. Ladies, if you happen to be watching this, check out my playlist of women's sneakers. You know, from time to time we get women's shoes in, so give it a subscribe. Okay, let's pull these out. Let's see what we got here. Let's see how clean these are. Now, right away, these, a little spoiler alert, I'll talk about this more later, these are going for essentially retail on the secondary resale sites, at least in this size. They're right around retail. And it's this, size 7, the lady size. This is the women's Air Jordan 3 Retro in white, dark mocha atmosphere. Or, air quotes, the Neopolitan Air Jordan 3's. So these are really affordable. So check this out. Check this unboxing out and see. You might want them, and you should be able to get them for a reasonable price. You know, fees, shipping, tax, bump it up above retail maybe. But in the day and age of where it's hard to get coveted sneakers, it's, you know, maybe a sign of the times that the trend's going down a little bit. But you know, if you've been wanting a pair of Jordan 3 retros, have been having trouble getting a pair for retail, now is your chance. Finally, some of the hype has maybe died down, the economy, what have you, fatigue, people have a million sneakers, who knows what. But if you've been waiting, if whoever can fit these, here you go. Finally, prices coming back down to earth. You got the white gold box on the outside with the gold leaf hits, 23 paper. I don't know why they have the 23 there. I'm kidding. Ooh. Okay. All right. These. Okay. All right. I'm already left speechless. It's a good sign when you're left speechless. Usually. I like these already. You got the what's now common, the yellowed midsole, kind of the vintage vibes. These are great. I like the color hits everywhere. I like the pink. You got the pink on the inside of the tongue, light pink. Got the pink hang tag, which of course you're not going to keep on, but pink eyelets, Jumpman. You don't have Nike Air. You do have Jumpman Air, but you got the pink painted back heel midsole Air unit. We'll hit a pink on the outsole there. Love that. These are pretty clean. The classic, damn, I always mess this up. Elephant or cement print. I always screw that up. Damn, okay. Hate me in the comments. Pink insole with a brown Jumpman, Mocha Jumpman. I like these a lot. I think if you can style these a bunch of different ways, just my opinion. I don't have a ton of Jordan 3s. I do think for my flashy tastes, you know, I'm a fancy pants guy, these sometimes 3s are a little underwhelming to me. Of course, they go with everything. It's a clean shoe, clean silhouette. It's not bad. It's just maybe not my style. Like, for example, I am wearing the Air Jordan 3 Retro Tinker Hatfields, the special editions. These, it's like a 3-in-1 Tinker Hatfield combo platter. To some people, this is a bastardization of a shoe. To me, if he had made these first back in the late 80s, and this was the Jordan 3, and then you did this later, I think objectively this is a, you know, in a vacuum without any history, I like this shoe better. It's just got more detail, more flavor hits. It's got the swoosh, of course, the Velcro swoosh. You can't see because my knee's in the way. It's a subtle swoosh since it's the same color. I know people are going to hate me for this, but this is a good shoe in a vacuum. I understand why people don't like it. They don't like mixing and matching silhouettes nowadays. I get it from a purist standpoint, but I'm just saying, play the thought experiment with me. Go back in time. What if Tinker Hatfield designed this first. And then later this came out. I think people would like this better. Not just for the nostalgia reasons. Let's say this just came out a year after. This was the Jordan 4. This was the Jordan 3. This was the Jordan 4. I think more people would like the Jordan 3. Anyways, let me know what you think about that in the comments. I'm sure no one agrees with me. Underrated shoe, by the way, I think. It's because sneakerheads, don't like this. Again, which I can understand. But as far as just aesthetics go, I like this shoe. I don't know, maybe it looks a little too dad. Because it's not a real Jordan 3. It looks like something you'd get at Champs or whatever. But it's got a Nike Air in the back, where most Jordan 3s nowadays have this. So, ha. Okay. My little rant's over. These, I think, are great. And style them a bunch of different ways. Like, again, if you're in the market for a Jordan 3, I think this is a good deal to find. And I think it's just a fact of the economy and the sneaker market's kind of like coming down a bit that you can get these for retail. I think you release these a year and a half to 2 years ago. These are sold out and these are going for, $250, $260, upwards almost $300 in the guy sizes. I think they're going for close to $300, and it's just a sign of the times. So we'll see what the lady thinks about these. Oh, I have a pair of Jordan 3s, the Amamani Air Jordan 3s, just haven't worn them yet. Also technically a women's Jordan 3. But we'll find out her opinion. All right, part 2 of the video. We have the lady here to get her initial thoughts on these. See if she likes them, see if she wants to keep them. So without further ado, let's open it up, see what you think.
All right.
We've already seen them, so you haven't seen them.
I have not seen them yet.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. That's unveiling.
Go ahead. Second reveal of the video.
Okay. I like the colors.
Yeah. Keep them in frame here.
Oh, yeah. My
There
bad.
you go.
Again, I don't have any of these because they're
Jordan 3s.
typically my favorite.
Yeah, I'll keep it in frame.
Yeah, sorry. I'm trying to look at it.
You go ahead and look at that one.
I do really like the colors. I think they look really nice and will go with a lot of things. I think what's really going to help me determine if I'm going to keep them or not will be how they look on the foot. They always feel a little big to me.
They are a little bulkier potentially. They're more bulky than like a Blazer, even maybe an Air Force One. So why don't you try on these? Yeah. Take off. What do you got on right now? Not fully laced up yet, but this is the first time you've put these on. The Jordan 1 Heritage in Varsity Red and White. And what do you think of those?
These I'm in love with.
You like these?
Very comfortable. Look great on the foot. I love a high top. And I don't have any shoes without this being colored. And I actually surprisingly really like these because I love the colored toe.
And we both got these at Sneakers and Stuff, SNS in Stockholm. Check out my unboxing video of these. She got them and kind of inspired me to get a pair. They were both on shelves there. And you can get them for reasonably cheap, ladies or guys. These are pretty much at retail. So if you're in the market for a pair of Jordan 1s that look like the Travis Scott royal blue Jordan 1s, except for the backwards swoosh, and in red, get those. All right, well, now we have nothing on camera.
Yeah,
we're losing viewers.
My fault.
We're losing viewers. Okay, she's putting them on, putting the right one on. Do you like the pink and you like the Mocha?
I do like the pink, and I'm always a pink person, but I do like the pink.
Okay. It's light pink.
It is.
Okay, let's put that in camera. Put it in frame.
So
here's my Jordan 3. All right. What are we thinking?
Let me stand up in it. But just putting it on, if I like actually how snug it feels. Not small snug, but just support.
Grips, hugs your foot.
Yeah.
But you definitely don't like them as much as the Jordan 1s.
No,
Put those in frame.
No. I'm a Jordan 1 person.
That's right. Most people are.
How many I have at this point, but
most people are. I think you have at least 5. At least 5, maybe even 6.
Yeah. I like them looking down. I'm gonna walk away really quick. Look in the mirror.
So these retail for like $200. These were $219 total. If that factors in anything, because they're not like cheap. So if you don't love them,
I like the back.
Yeah, they definitely will go with a lot.
Yeah, I
go
think
with jeans, go with shorts, any sort of khaki, obviously pink, any sort of denim, black jeans for sure.
At this moment, I think it hurts that I have the one on the other foot in frame.
Yeah.
But I, at this moment, am going to say 50-50. I'd like to put an outfit on with them.
Okay.
And judge it based on that.
And, you know, this will even go with, obviously, colors that aren't, like, match this. Like, I can see this. You have a couple, like, olive green pants and stuff. You have some, like, khaki, I think, either pants or overalls these would go with.
I do.
You know, these definitely, I think, would go with a lot.
I like how clean they are. I like...
Yeah, you definitely don't have a pair of Jordan 3's.
If I were going to keep any, it'd probably be this pair. This colorway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say I'm 65% sold on them.
So
which is higher than I thought.
So for the record, dead sold on these. Love these. Yeah. You don't know about these. You want to see them with an outfit.
Yes.
So these are like what? What are these for you? Like an 8.5 out of 10?
Yeah, I'd say.
And these are like what? Like a 7?
I just said I'm 65%, so
6.5 on these. Okay.
I think too, part of my hesitation is I love the contrast of most of my ones, whereas these are very clean.
And they don't have other alternate lacers.
Yeah. So I think that's part of my hesitation also.
You could always steal laces from other shoes and put them on these.
Yeah, I think But I want to, I think if I put them on with an outfit, I think that will probably tip me over the edge of keeping them, but...
I do think...
I do like them.
Anyone who's in the market for Jordan 3's and you can fit these are women's sizing, but if you can fit these, this is a decent option because these aren't like going for a ton. These are a very good option for a Jordan 3 if you like these.
And I'm a 7, so 5.5 men, 7 women, and these fit really well.
These are 7 women's and these fit well, so true to size.
True to size for these, they fit well. But I really do like the colorway and everything. It's more of just me being confident wearing them, being that they are a different silhouette.
All right. Well, we'll see if she ends up keeping them. Follow me on Instagram, and maybe I'll mention it in a future video whether she keeps these or not at Lowheat Fancy Pants. And yeah, thanks for watching. Any final thoughts? You like these more than you initially thought you would.
I do. Yes, I do. I initially thought I'd open the box and be like, no. But I do. Upon putting them on, seeing them in person, I do like them more than I thought I would.
Okay. There you have it.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.